guys, Blake Crockett, Hennessey Performance. It's really hot down here in Texas, but it's still not as hot as this brand new 2023 Venom 775 F-150. Let's do a quick walk around and talk about the new features. I always like to start off with the front of the truck. So we have the 20-inch Hennessey 10-spoke wheel. We do our 35-inch off-road tire. If you look through the tire, you'll see the Brembo brake upgrade with the red calipers. With all the horsepower that this truck gets, adding the necessary stopping power is a must, and also looks just really mean coming through the wheel. The Venom 775 comes with a 6-inch suspension lift with coilovers, gives the truck a really aggressive stance, also provides all the needed clearance for off-road use and any abuse that your truck is going to take. Moving around to the front, we do the Hennessey exclusive Venom 775 bumper with integrated factory LED lights. We also have a 20-inch LED light bar in the front. All your factory sensors and cruise control options still work just like they would from the factory. Moving up from the bumper, some of the new features on the Venom 775 that haven't been seen previously is the all-new painted match grille with the Hennessey red accent line. We're doing the lighted Ford front emblems with the black and white lights, which correlates to our new 775 fender vent logos that also have the matching red vents. We have our new OE style raised graphics to say Venom 775 Supercharged. A smooth style fender flares integrated into the wheel well that helps protect the body from any flinging mud, but also really rounds out the full aesthetic of the truck. Coming around to the back of the truck, we have the Hennessey rear bumper replacement, the lighted rear logo to go with the front logo as well. We also have the new Grille Performance exhaust, dual tip out the side, which is going to give that truck that really aggressive sound that you're looking for in a lifted F-150. The platform that we use for the Venom 775 is a 5.0 Lariat from the factory. This is a fantastic truck to start off with. We do upgrade to power running boards so you have ease of getting inside the truck. And some of the interior upgrades this year include an all-new red Hennessey stitched headrest. We also do the beautiful red American flag to match the accent colors outside, and new Hennessey WeatherTech floor mats. So obviously it wouldn't be a Hennessey vehicle without power upgrades, so we do a supercharger upgrade to get you to the 775 horsepower. We also provide a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty so you can keep that peace of mind while you're having a good time. So that's a quick walk around of the new 775 F-150. These F-150s are being delivered to dealers all across the country. Reach out so we can get you in one today. Came here for the horsepower.